We are pleased to show you the 2019 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.